Hello everyone, we are continuing to our if functions. In this lesson we will talk about nested if function. Nested if function is a function nested inside another if function. It allows you to test multiple criteria and increase the number of possible outcomes. Now, let me explain it with an example. In the table I have quiz 1, quiz 2 and quiz 3 and students' grades represented with numbers. Now we want to convert these numbers to the letters. Now I have a little table here, grades with numbers and grades with letters. Now I am going here, quiz 1 with letters, equal sign, if function, logical test. If my quiz 1 is less than 11, if it's 10 or 9, 8 and so on, if it's less than 11, it should write D. Else, if it's not less than 11, it means it's more than 11, we write another if statement. If my quiz 1 less than 14, it means either it's 11, 12 or 13, because it can't be 10 or 9 because we have already checked for 10 or 9. We have already checked for less than 11. So if it's less than 11, it will write D. If it's not less than 11 and if it's less than 14, it should write C. Now, if it's not less than 14, but if my quiz 1 less than 18, it should write B. And if it's not less than 18, if it's 18 or bigger, it should write A. Closing brackets for the first if, closing brackets for the second and for the third if. And Control Enter, and it's A because it's 20 and it's A. And I am dragging down my formula. As you can see, it wrote all correctly. B, 15 is B, and 18 is A, 14 is B, and 13 is C, and so on. And now, instead of writing again and again, I can drag my formula to the left, and I can drag my formula all the way down too. As you can see, now I have my quiz results with numbers and with letters. And this way we can use nested if functions. That's all for this lesson. See you in the next lesson.